Why you should never delay a hearing test. If you're noticing signs of hearing loss like asking other people to repeat themselves or turning up the TV volume, don't wait. The longer you delay, the harder it becomes for your brain to process sound normally. Early detection helps prevent further loss and improves how well hearing aids work for you. Just like eye checkup, regular hearing tests are part of a good health care. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 9658395839.